Hey everybody, welcome to another week. This is going to be week 9 of our course, and looking down the syllabus, we only got 16 plus finals, so we are past halfway. We're moving toward the end. That's great. A few things to just let you know about, make sure you're aware of for this week. First off, we have a quiz. This week's quiz is going to be over the poetry you'll be reading. I want you to, as always, give this a good shot, right? Spend a little bit, write an answer. Think about the material we're covering. That said, don't feel like there's a right answer, right? There's no specifically right answer or wrong answer. I want you thinking about it because that's how we're actually going to learn what the poetry's doing, right? And so we'll talk about this in class a little more, but enjoy that. I hated poetry. I still don't read a lot of it, but the resources I found for you are really great guides to get you into it, help you find something that you're actually interested in, and then get out. The real task this week, right, is to be finishing your final draft of Essay 2. It's timely. A lot of you are writing about the presidential election, and early voting opens this week. So once you finish, if you're that moved by how great your paper is, get out there and vote. But the important thing is to be getting that final draft to me by midnight on Friday. If you need extra help with it, you want to know if the source is good, if your thesis sounds good, if you want me to do quick notes on it, you can email stuff to me through probably Wednesday or early Thursday morning, and I can try and get some notes back to you. The sooner you do it, the better chance you get those notes back, because if other people do it, they are going to take precedence in line first. So just be aware of that. But that's all going to be due Friday at midnight. That is the hardest thing we're doing this semester. So breathe deep once you get that turned in. Go ahead and start looking at Essay 3 once you finish it. Just start collecting your 6 things. There's an example, 5 things minimum, up to 10, I think. But there's an example. There's a bunch of stuff already out there on Essay 3, so you can go ahead and get a great start on it. It took me 40 minutes, maybe an hour tops. It might take you a little longer if you want to, really give it your all, but I think that it should not take more than a few hours to get done. Because Essay 2 is a lot harder, this one's a little easier, so enjoy that. That's going to be due in 2 weeks from this Friday. October 30th will be the due date on that, so you have some time there. But besides that, we're just going to take the rest of the week easy. Focus on that rough draft, that final draft, finish that final draft, get it turned in, and then let it out. You're done for a little bit. We're still doing some readings. We have the poetry this week, drama next week. We're going to read a short play, a one-act play that it's a little long, but it's all well worth it. It should take you like 20-30 minutes to read. So again, guys, set aside Tuesday and Thursday. Whether or not you have in-person class, set aside that hour and a half and just work on the material during that hour and a half, and you'll finish before the 3 hours is up, okay? This week, looks like we have groups 1 and 2 going to be in person. So look forward to seeing you guys. And as always, if you have any questions, you can email me and I will get back to you ASAP. All right, guys, have a great week. Hope it goes well.